welcome to my channel. Today we will be making napkin fold card. Before that, if you are new to my channel and haven't seen my videos before, hi, I am Ambara, and if you want to stick around, just make sure you subscribe my channel down below. So here are the requirements for the napkin fold card. First one is a square paper sheet of any size, but it must be square. Then decorative paper, scale, scissor and glue. So let's start. Here I have a square sheet of paper. I am going to fold it into 4 folds. First, 4-fold it vertically. Now do the same with horizontal. 4-fold it horizontally as well as vertically, and you will get 16 mini squares and a center. Now fold all the corners at the center. Open it. Now fold all the corner mini square diagonally. You can mark dents first by using a scale and scissor and then fold it. After that, I am going to mark the dents of all the folds that you can see, that we first folded of vertical lines into 4 folds and horizontal 4 folds, diagonal folds. Mark dents for all those folds. Fold along this line. You can see a triangle, and fold along the edges of triangle. Repeat the same with all the 4 sides. After folding, you will see a triangle. Fold along that triangle. Repeat the same. So you will have a structure like this. Now hold a open standing fold and spread it, push it down to the ground. Again spread the standing fold and push it down. Repeat the same with the remaining 2. Get this kind of structure. Now take the center of the folded sheet and fold it to the diagonal like I'm doing. This was the last step, and here we are done with the napkin fold card. The only thing left is just decoration part. Now I am going to show you a quick recap of all the folds. 4-fold the square sheet vertically as well as horizontally. fold all the corners to the center. Now mark the dents of all the folded folds. I always use pen and scissor to mark dents. You can use anything. Done with the marking dents. Now fold along this line. You will see a triangle, and fold along the edges of the triangle. See, like I'm doing. Repeat the same with all the four sides. It will look like this. Now take one by one standing fold and fold it down to the ground. Take the center to the diagonal and fold it. So let's go to the decoration part of this napkin fold card. Have a look of decorated napkin fold card. I don't know how, but I just almost forget to shoot this. But don't worry, I'm gonna show you again how to decorate it. Just assume that the white paper I am showing is decorative paper. You can see 4 mini squares on this napkin fold card. Just take the measure of that square and then cut it diagonally. Assume the white paper is decorative paper and use this triangle to stick at the ends. You will require 4 such triangles.